Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software. And on today's video, Global's Prompt for Replacement, I'm going to show you what the prompt option in the global window does and why you might want to use it. There may be times when you're working and entering globals as you're editing. However, you run into something that you find where you do want to global it, but maybe you're not sure that you want to change every single instance for some reason. If that's the case, you can use the prompt option to review every single replacement a global would make. So I'm going to global this word, and then I'm going to check the prompt box in the bottom middle. Now I'll press OK. And Eclipse has given me the option of replacing these entries one by one, choosing either yes or no, or replacing them all or canceling altogether. And so if I choose yes, it's going to move to the next instance and ask me if I want to make the global there too. And so I can choose yes. And if I don't want to make it here, I can choose no if I don't want to for some reason. And at that point, the global operation stops and takes me back to where I began. This might be helpful if you're reusing speaker identifiers. You can global a speaker identifier and use prompt to review each replacement and stop it as soon as the speaker should change to a new speaker identifier. Or you can simply use prompt to make sure that every replacement that you're making is a good replacement and that every place has been corrected. And once the last instance of the word that you globaled is reached, then again, the global operation will stop. And if you simply want to make all of the replacements at once, you can always just hit all, and it will work like a normal global and immediately take you to where your cursor left off. Prompt can help you make sure that every replacement in a document that is necessary has been made, or help you make sure that you're only making a replacement up to a certain point where it's appropriate. Either way, this tool gives you maximum control over every replacement that you make when you're globaling. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support can be reached at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.